Adorable little cats, truly lucky to be alive.
Somehow, listen to this, they were boxed up with some equipment that was loaded into a semi-truck and shipped from L.A. to a warehouse in San Diego. They were found by a warehouse worker who opened the box they were shipped in.
Oh, they were named Mouse and Wi-Fi and were given to a local shelter, and they are just so cute. They seem to be healthy.
They are too cute. They must be just obviously days old, huh?
Little. My goodness, I wonder how that happened. So somebody was packaging it up, and I guess because they're so small, their meows and purrs are so faint that you can hear them, right? I'm assuming that's what went wrong.
I'm assuming their umbilical cords, by the way, were still attached, I'm reading here, so they were pretty young, clearly.